I'm sure you've heard the news. Huawei just dropped the MatePad Pro Max. It's thinner than your smartphone and packed with features for power users. But is it really worth the $1,400 price tag? The MatePad Pro Max is seriously sleek, just 4.7mm thin, with invisible 3.5mm bezels, wrapping a massive 13.2-inch 3K paper matte OLED display. That means stunning colors, zero glare, and a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Plus, a hidden 12MP selfie cam. No notch, no distractions. Under the hood, you get the new Kirin 9 series chip, 12 gigs of RAM, and a huge 10,400mAh battery with 66W fast charging. This thing is built for creatives and power users who need PC-level productivity on the go. But here's the catch: no Google mobile services, so some apps might be missing. And at $1,400, it's premium territory. If you want the thinnest, brightest, and lightest tablet for pro work and creative play, this is a standout choice. But if you're on a budget or love Google's ecosystem, you might want to look elsewhere. Verdict? The MatePad Pro Max is a tech marvel. If you're willing to pay the